Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm starting with my sponge and my water bottle. I spray my sponge and it's important that it's not too wet, otherwise I have a big blob on my cheeks and I just want to have a nice rose blush. Then I'm using the same rose color and color the top of my eyelids in. And then I'm using my Diamond FX white with my brush and make a half circle on top of my eyebrow and fill that all in. And then I'm doing one on the other side as well and try to make it as similar as possible. And then I'm using the same brush and the same white and draw that around my mouth. I'm filling that all in and make my mouth a bit bigger, a big clown mouth. And fill that all in. Afterwards, because I'm using the white anyway at the moment, I'm sprinkling some dots all over my rosy cheeks. Looks very cute, and then I'm adding some starburst as well. And now I'm using a bit of a darker pink and give myself a nice pink lipstick. And obviously I make my mouth a bit wider with the pink as well, because that is how clowns look like, isn't it? And then I chose a turquoise color. You can choose whatever color you want really, to make a triangle shape under my eye. Under the other eye I use a yellow, so I use two different colors just to make it a bit more colorful, but that's up to you. And then I'm using my black and make a black big teardrop on top of my white and follow it around my half circle to make a bit of a sad looking face. And then I'm using the same black under my lip as well, just to make it a little bit more clown-like. And then I nearly forgot something. The most important thing of the clown, the nose. Here we go, that's it now. All done. But what is that? Ooh, you can obviously choose whatever color you want. You don't have to do a girly pink one. You can just make a blue clown as well, for example. Or you can just choose the girly version like I did. And if you like that video, please subscribe and yeah, give me a thumb up.